These things grow all over the place. Look at that. Pretty. And this is the river. Uh-huh.
Got it?
Yeah, I got it. Some pictures here. Carabelle over here. Carabelle? That's the boat we saw pulling into the river here. That's the river. There's another one coming in. It doesn't look too clean, Jang. Doesn't look clean at all. Wow. Yeah. That's from the, what do you call it, I guess? From all the trees and everything. That's what gets washed out into the ocean every time it rains. This is a clean spring, mountain water, mountain spring. It's down from the mountain. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Look at this. I guess you could swim in there if you wanted to, but it's not deep enough, I don't think. There's a guy down there. Where did he go? Oh, there's 2 more cows. Not sure what that is. Some kind of a structure. Thought originally maybe it was a bridge. It looks like it was going to be a bridge, maybe. Yeah. Resort. There's the girls. Sheera. Hey, sweetie. Oh, yeah, Sheera.
Sheera.
Hi, Sheera. Sit. Good girl. Oh, what's that? Hi, Sheera. Sit. 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 Good girl. Good girl. Stay. Stay. Hey, this way. What are you doing? Hi, sweetie. Good girl, Sheera. Still there, huh?
Oh, wow. Look
Good girl. Such a good girl. What a poser. Yeah, we had her jumping for the stick. You think she's tired? You should see me. And here's your coconut. Look at this. It started to grow.
Oh, yeah. In the water.
And that's how they grow. That's how your coconut trees grow. This one's got paint on it. Look at all the coconuts down there. That's where we came from. All the way down there. Look at this. Absolutely beautiful.
Bye, Sheera.
So quiet here. I love it. You know, as much as I like the nightlife, I don't drink, I don't smoke. It's most of the restaurants are smoke free here, so that's good. Oh, we got a small frog. Most of the restaurants are smoke free, the bars, but people still manage to light up. Nobody says anything unless you do. But it's a law. It's against the law to smoke in public places here in the Philippines. A lot of people, emphysema, major lung disease, cancer. You know, it's sad people haven't really figured it out yet, but you know, it's their lives. That's how they want to live. But not around people who don't want to live that way. It's not fair. Not fair to those that don't want to breathe it in. I used to smoke. I smoked for 15 years. Best thing I ever did was get off it. Been smoke free almost 30 years now. And I still feel it in my lungs. A little bit of asthma sometimes. Just a small amount, but I was wheezing and coughing hard when I smoked. So anyway, I'm just going to end it there. This is not about smoking. This is about enjoying life in the Philippines. Got my generator fixed finally after a month. So if you guys are buying equipment and stuff, house repairs, expect to wait. Nothing happens here very fast. Oh, look how clear the water is here. Wow. That looks pretty good. Don't get too close to the edge or you'll be in there. Look at that.
Go rinse up, Sheera. Come on. Rinse. Good girl.
Oh, she absolutely loves the water. She can't get enough of it. Go get it. Go get it. Get that stick. Atta girl. Atta girl. Come on. Come on, Sheera. Hey, don't drink that water. We don't know what's in there. Sheera? It looks clear, but I'm looking at the foam on the top. Could be from the salt.
Don't drink the water.
Let's try this one. Let's see how she does with this. I'm gonna throw this one. Oh. Atta girl, bring it back. No.
Okay, let's go. Come on.
Come on, Sheera. Let's go. Come on, so you had your cool down. Atta girl. Come on. Come on. There you go. Good job. Good job. There you go.
Good job.
Good job.
Let's go, Sheera.
Come on. Let's go.
Here?
Yeah, keep going. Is that a lobster trap there?
Huh?
A box? Looks like a lobster trap maybe. Yeah, we get fresh lobster. Not often though. We get fresh fish. They come by almost every day with some nice sized fish.
Not that, Sheera.
Not that interested in tuna. Not as much taste as the red fish that we get, and I have no idea what the name is. I couldn't pronounce it. They tell it to you in Filipino. In Tagalog, it's not Tagalog, it's Visayan they speak here. So, FB Quinn. Morning. Morning. It's the fishing boat. These guys just came back in. Huh. Yeah, they're all fishing villages here. So, yeah, I'll sit here at in the daytime and stay cool when it's a little bit of a breeze, or even when not. It's better than sitting in the house. Sorry. Thing is, they really need to clean up after themselves. Like, not to throw the garbage on the ground. It's almost as bad in Canada. But at least, you know, we have science and we're educating people. That's not good for the environment. Oh, left the selfie stick at home this time. Let's see. That's your fishing boat. And here's the river. This is part of it. Oh, there's something swimming in the water there. Or is that just the waves, Jang? Sheera? Thought I saw something swimming there, but that's just the waves going over the sandbar. Yeah, hard part's keeping her out of the water. She's good though. When you tell her not to go in, she understands well. She's a really smart dog.
Go on.
Yeah, splashing around.
Sheba, you want to go in? Fuck that.
Not likely, I know, eh? What you doing? Making your own waves, huh? Your own splash. Alright, sweetie. No, I'm not throwing the phone for you. I will not be throwing the phone for you.
You done?
Are you done? No. Go for some. Go. Go on. Atta girl. Atta girl.
Hey, Sheba, come back here.
Hey. Hi, Sheera. How you doing, sweetie? Sheba's on her way home. She's going to meet us at home or what? Sheba! Come on. Come here. Come. Sheba! Come on. I think she thinks we're going to toss her in the water. We tried to get her to swim, but she really hates the water. Sheera, on the other hand, took to it like... she just absolutely loved it. There's not much else you can say about that. She really loves it. Come on, Sheba. Come on, sweetie. We're not going swimming. Come on. No. Come on, Sheba.
You said the magic word.
Hey, come on. Come. Little bugger. Better start heading back or we're going to lose the other one. Anyway, this is the river. Take a walk over here. That looks pretty clean, huh? Pretty clear. Look at that, eh? We're pulling crabs out of the water and everything.
Last one, go.
Go ahead, go. Atta girl. Come on.
Over here.
I think that's a lot of ocean water now. Welcome to the Philippines. Look at that. Beautiful. Those are the hydro towers. They're not ready yet. Still working on them. Should have more stable... oh, that was lovely. Come the boys. Come on, Sheera. Come on, you little rascal. Come on. Come on, Sheera. Come on, sweetie. There you go. Good girl. Good girl. That would be Kalibo down there somewhere. can't see it, it's hard. And back we go. Not sure what they're doing. They're making a spot for their boat. Yeah, we pick up stones along the beach, like in the water. So we got some really nice, colorful ones. Oh. So I can focus on it. Oh, try it this way. Sorry. Ah, it's hard to see it. Here's another one. Yeah, they're hard to see. Okay. Yeah, you should probably do a little bit of drinking here, eh? Yeah, that's the bad part about it. They don't clean up after themselves. Just leave everything behind. I think a lot of stuff comes down from the river, from the villages further up. Hi, Sheera. Hey, what do you got? What do you got? Bring it to Mama. Go get Mama. Go get Mama. Go on. Go get Mama. Go get it. Go. 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 She'll want to drop it. She could really jump. Just soft sand. Hey, it's hard to get any traction here. Come on, Sheera, get that bone. Stick, I mean. Get the stick. Get your stick. Get the stick. Come on, get that stick. Yeah, look where the other one went. Yeah. Some forest dog. Looking for shade. Well, she's not a beach dog. Anyway, that's all. That's all for now. Cheers. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it.